So now we're going to lay down the ground cover. Now here's the tricky part. We got to cut that and then we got to burn it. So I got to get those other scissors out. They got to work because I am not cutting that with a knife. I got a candle. I got a candle for my hand. Look at this thing. But the candle is to burn the edge so it won't fray. Because if I just cut it, it's going to fray all over the place. So no, that ain't happening. So let's try this flower cutting. Oh man. It's always got to be an adventure, Sandra. Alright, let's give her a go. Here, see if it cuts paper. Oh, we're in. That cuts paper, we're in. Okay, so what I'm going to do, roll that all the way to that end, and then cut it. And then I'm going to take the candle and burn it. Burn the whole edge of it. Let's hope I don't burn my hand. Okay, I'm going to bring you with me. I want you to see this. What I got to do is cut that, and then with the candle, burn the edge of it. There, that's done. And do me a favor, Sandra. If you see any ticks on me, yell it out, okay, please? Let me know. Thanks. Come closer. There. You can see it better here. So we light the candle. Keep it lit, hopefully, like that. Yep. And make sure it's sprayed really good. Frayed really good. No, melted really good, so it doesn't fray. That's the whole objective here. Okay, yeah. I think we got it. There. That's done. And you're going to say, well, how are you going to garden that? Well, you burn holes in it along the ground where you put your plants in. Yeah, and then the weeds stay underneath. And the water goes through it. That's the cool thing. Okay. One down. 5 to go. Whee! But not yet. We got to go burn the other end of that. Yeah, we got to do the same thing at the other end. So come with me. I won't leave you back there. You'll get lonely. Yeah, I don't like to get too far away from you, Sandra, because I figure you'll get lonely. So watch me burn this side now. Yeah, remember, I've already had 2 ticks, so keep your eye out for them. If you see one get on me, you start yelling, saying, Debbie, tick, you're the tick alert, tick alert. Not tickler, tick alert. Okay, now let's just... And all I'm doing is running the flame. Just running the flame right along the edge of it. Just like, I don't know, melting it. That's what I'm doing. Overlap it, because if we put it to the edge, the weeds will come through. So you want to overlap it. Hey, come with me, Sandra. Don't be sitting over there being lazy. Get over here and get into the job with me. Come on. Atta girl, you can do it. Atta girl. Oh, you got weeds on your face there, I think. Get them out of there. There. He's gone. Okay, so the idea is, normally they use a torch to burn it. Well, I don't have a torch, but I got a candle and a lighter. So, it's going to take a little more time, but, you know, whatevs. Do what I can do here. So this is just a practice. What I'm going to do, well, no, I can't do that because, alright, shade the edge, okay. What I'm going to do, cut me a little hole. Cut me a little hole. There. Now, there's a hole that I would put a plant in. Can you see that? Alright, but that's going to fray all all crazy fray. That's about a good size, I think. If it isn't, we'll make it a little bigger, whatever. And we're going to do them all the way down, but let's see. You know, that was an easy cut. Let's see how easy it is to burn it. Because we're going to do this all the way down. So you just go around the hole like this. Yeah, see, it doesn't burn it, it just seals it, like, kind of. Yeah. Now, after I do 100 of these, probably won't think it's that easy. But that cost me absolutely nothing. I got the lighter from I don't know where, and the candle I got from my aunt. So, fun times. So, there's a hole. And it can't fray now. Well, it's burnt. That's what I want to see. And there you go. Now I put a plant right in there. That's how it works. Hey, I could use birthday candles, Sandra. We could sing happy birthday every time I burned a hole. All right, let's check on Walter. Where's Walter? Hey, Walt, who are you looking at? Huh? Sandra wants to know, who are you looking at, Walt? Oh, no, you're filling your face. What are you, showing the other birds you got lots of food and they don't? Huh? Huh? You being a show-off? Are you being a show-off? Yeah, it's nice to be out here, isn't it, Walter? Yeah, I like you out here. I do. It's nice for you to get outside. Okay, so there's what's left for me to do. I've got 2 down, and I got to burn all the edges of them, so I got at least 4 more to go. 4 or 5, I'm not sure. Is that a tick? That is a tick right there. See him? That's him, the bloodsucker. I don't know if you can see him. That's the bloodsucker. That's the tick, the Lyme disease guru. Yeah, look, he's kind of red looking. Get away from me, you little weirdo. I don't want nothing to do with you. No, I don't. Must be something good about them, though. I don't know. Oh, suckers fly? No, they don't fly. They better not fly. That freaked me out. Okay, so that's the job I got to do. I got to do 3 more now, Sandra. So Walt's up there having the time of his life and enjoying his little afternoon delight, the afternoon outside. So, okay, here we go. I'll bring you back out in a minute, okay? And, hey, Sandra, we're supposed to be on tick patrol, okay? How come I was pointing ticks out to you? Something wrong with that picture, girly girl. All right. This is so easy. Who would have thought I was going to go buy the special brulee gun that you use in restaurants for creme brulee where you set on fire. And then you got to use butane. And the butane cylinders, I don't know how many of them I would have used. Well, probably a lot. And I don't like fooling around with that stuff. It's scary. Keep an eye on those ticks, Sandra. Keep them off me. They're bad. That's your job. You got one job to do, okay? And that's it. Keep an eye on me, the ticks, see if they're going to get on me. Don't forget, if they do, yell, tick, tick, tick. Not talk, just tick, not tick-tock. We're not playing tick-tock, we're just playing tick, okay? So I want to give you the scoop on where I learned how to do this. The tarping, like the weed barrier. I learned it off a channel called Living Traditions Homestead. Online. They have a huge following, very informative, but they're not regenerative farmers, which means they don't do all the mob grazing and stuff like that. They're getting a little more into it, but that's not their main goal. Their main goal is a farm to feed their family healthy. They've got a spot at the farmer's market where they take all their food, and I mean, they grow some gorgeous food, tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers and oh, you name it. I mean, watermelons. You should have seen the watermelons I grew last year. Oh my goodness. But now, they're very informative. They've taught me a lot. Whoa, we're on fire here. Get out of there. Don't be burnt. Ow, ow. Oh, Sandra, tip number 1, don't ever touch hot plastic. I just burnt my fingers. Owie. Things start on fire. Why did it do that? The other ones never did. Defective. Anyway, it burned a big hole right there. Ow, and burnt my finger. Okay, well, anyway, Living Traditions Homestead, which I'll give them full credit for this because they taught me, you know, how to do this weed barrier because they've done it. And I've seen it. They did it last year and it was extremely successful. No weeds. It was just, what a great garden. So that gave me the idea that, oh yeah, if I'm going to do a garden, I'm doing no weed garden because I'm too old to look after it. You know, when I'm by myself too, so it's too much. Plus I work 2 jobs, so you know, life's kind of busy here. But anyway, I'm going to give them credit for it, but let me also tell you something. They have a huge YouTube channel, okay? Lots of followers. I think they were in Better Homes and Gardens, some kind of big magazine come and did a whole show on them or a whole article on them in their magazine, which, you know, helped their subscribers go up, which is good for them. I mean, they're doing a great job. They only put out 2 videos a week, unlike Justin Rhodes that does one every day. My man Justin Rhodes, him and Joel Salatin, my favorites. But anyway, and Greg Judy, he's another favorite. Oh, and Gordon Green. Oh God, I'm gonna keep going here. I can't. But anyway, so they have a huge YouTube channel, okay? But they're good. They teach a lot. I really appreciate their work. But one thing I'll say, if you go and watch them do what I'm doing right now, okay, they've got the fancy blow torches, and oh man, when they do their garden, their lines are just perfect. All their garden is, they have T-posts to hold up all their tomatoes. Oh, it's just pristine. Everything is perfectly in order. But then again, they got 2 of them working it, one of them holding the camera. You know, 2 of them doing it off camera as well, making sure everything's beautiful and pretty. Well, beautiful and pretty looking doesn't always make a garden grow. So I'm not going to put a lot of effort into beautiful and pretty. My tarps are not, or my weed barriers are not all going to be the same length. Okay, some are a little shorter, some are a little longer. I don't care. Fruit ain't fruit. Well, yeah, a lot of it's fruit, like a tomato. They're not growing on the edges, so I don't really care. Going to do the best I can do to cut the holes in, to burn the holes in the weed barrier so I can plant the plants in it. But for now, I'm going to put one on top of the other at the back here, and I'm just going to leave them because I'm hoping for rain before I actually plant this coming Saturday. Why? Because another tip from Living Traditions, they laid down the reed barrier after they had it plowed like I did, after they had their garden tilled. They didn't wait for a rain. And if you notice, when I walk down that garden, man, it is bumpy. I'm all over the place, where a good rain will flatten it all out more. And so when I get the pegs that are coming from Amazon that will pound into the ground to hold this down so it doesn't flip back like that, I've got 100 pegs coming. Don't know if that's going to be enough. I might order more. But they'll do for now. So I've got them coming, and the pegs will hold too after the ground's been wet. But the ground was pretty wet when they tilled it, so that might be a big help. I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll see when they get here. But that, and so right now I'm just going to pile all this weed barrier back over there by the fence. Hope that it rains, and that'll give us some good ground. I know I told you I'm going to walk around with you because that makes you dizzy. Well, too bad, get over it. I'm walking around with you. Okay, because I got to show you something. All right, now here comes Bumpy. I'm going to walk down this garden and you'll see I'm all over the place because it's really uneven right now. That's okay. You'll get over it. Alrighty, now I want to talk to you about this, the big water tank. Okay, see the nozzle here on the end? Well, I got to get some kind of nozzle on there that will work with a garden hose. Now I understand you can get them. I did look online, they are there. But sorry, I got something biting my ear, and you know, you're not paying attention, Sandra. Could be a tick, so I'm just taking care of it. But right now I am going to tarp it. I've got the black in the car. Before I leave, I want to tarp this and get it done because this is going to start getting algae in it, and we can't have that. So I've got the string to tie it down, the tarp, so let's get busy and give that a go and see how that's going to work out. Well, there you go, Sandra. I got it all tarped up. I got black plastic underneath it, underneath that brown. So it's covered in black, which you need, and then you don't get no algae from the sun. So there you go, all done. Okay, I just put twist ties on it, Yeah, that was a joke. Don't even know how to use them, but figured it out, you know, whatever. 62, you learn something new every day. So now I'm going to take Walter back. I got all the black plastic all folded over to the fence there. It's going to stay there now, and hopefully get some rain on this week, because I'm going to plant on Saturday. It's my day off. So we're going to have a planting day on Saturday. So now we're going to get Walt in the car. Yeah, because he's been out here all afternoon. And actually, it's getting kind of cloudy out here, so I'm kind of hoping for rain. That would be nice. That would be nice. So, come on, Walt. We'll show Sandra how we get you in the car. And don't even look at my car. What a mess. Oh, I'm not kidding you. But, you know, hey, whatever. You're moving. You're doing stuff. Here, Walt. There you go. Okay. There he is, Sandra. He's in the car. He's ready to go for a little drive. Okay, so get my gloves. I think I got everything. Can't see any of that moving. It should stay where it is.